One sunny day, an ass was quietly grazing in a meadow near the woods. Suddenly, he spotted a wolf watching him from the shadows. The ass quickly thought of a clever plan to trick the wolf. He pretended to limp, groaning as if he had hurt his foot. The wolf came closer, wondering what had happened. "Oh dear," said the ass, "I stepped on a sharp thorn." "Please pull it out," he begged. "You might choke on it when you eat me." The wolf thought, that might be true. He came close and carefully started to look for the thorn. The ass got ready to kick with all his strength. Pow! He kicked the wolf far away into the grass. The wolf tumbled, groaning as stars spun around his head. The ass ran away fast, laughing and free. The wolf slowly sat up, sore and embarrassed. "Serves me right," he grumbled. "I'm a butcher, not a doctor." Moral: stick to your trade. Dear kids, know what you're good at and use your strengths wisely. Don't pretend to be someone you're not. It can backfire. Smart thinking can keep you safe, even from danger. Brains over brawn can win the day. Not all help is safe. Be careful who you trust. Be kind, but also be smart.